I'm here today to demonstrate on how to repair drywall using my new invention, the BarryStick. Simple instructions on the reverse side. The unique qualities of the BarryStick is it's the drywall tape behind the wall. No need to use drywall tape on the front anymore. Let's say you're in your laundry room downstairs and a hole develops in your wall. I will demonstrate of how that is to be fixed. Let's say a hole develops in your wall, such as this. Oh my gosh, how are we going to fix that? I will demonstrate. You take a repair piece such as this, and you put it up against the wall where your damaged section is. You take a pencil and you trace along the perimeter of the drywall piece. Then you take a utility knife and you cut out that piece along the traced line. Cut out along the traced line. Your hole should look like this and is ready for the BarryStick to be used. First thing you want to do is make sure that all the dust is wiped away from the hole. You don't want any hanging paper or dust to interfere with the BarryStick. After that is done, you take your BarryStick and you peel off the protective layer, exposing the specially formulated adhesive, and you place it behind your hole, and you want to split the difference between the wall and the opening on both the top and the sides, and I will demonstrate. You want to make sure you don't touch the adhesive when you install the BarryStick. Now, you want to take another BarryStick, remove the protective layer such as this, and do the same on the other side. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you want to split the difference like that. Now take your third BarryStick, score it with a utility knife like this in the middle. Snaps very easy like that, and you want to put it on the top and the bottom like this. Now you take your repair piece and put it into the opening like this. Now that BarryStick is strong enough to hold your repair piece in place and acts like the drywall tape behind the wall. Your next step is to take spackling compound. It doesn't take much to repair the hole. You want to take it and force it into the crack between the repair piece and the drywall, like this. Feather it out a little bit. After the spackling is applied to the repair piece and the drywall, you can speed the process up by using a hair dryer and drying the spackling on your wall, such as this. After you've dried the spackling on your wall, you want to take your sandpaper and go over and make it nice and smooth, make it even with the drywall. Once the paint dries, you can't even tell where the hole was. Buy the BarryStick on BarryStick.com.